सर कल जो पीसीओडी वाली पेशेंट आई थी जिसको बहुत सारे आइडियाज आते थे, तो वो केसेस में हम लोग कौन से रेमेडीज कंसीडर कर सकते हैं?
So if patient has too much of ideas, you can think of China, sulfur, coffea, cannabis indica. There are other remedies also, but these are common remedies. So how you will differentiate is when you can think of sulfur when there is too much of ideas with frivolousness, not serious and no execution about the ideas. I mean, they will think but no execution. Coffea, there is too much of ideas with excitement, and excitement ki how they will do in future, how they will execute in future, and they are very excited. Okay. You can think of China when there is too much of ideas with no execution, sadness and irritability, and you can think of cannabis indica when there is too much of ideas, but ideas are not realistic. Right? Vague ideas and very excited about it, right? So you can think of cannabis indica in that.